least what our data suggests is that many insurers are trying a lot of pilots, point solutions, but an end-to-end transformation and being able to truly scale that up is still, in the works. What do you think will it really take in terms of a mindset or a cultural shift to make that happen?
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I wish AI could solve this. See, in my view, the problem with scaling up any initiative led by AI is not because the algorithm doesn't work. It is because there is a leadership mindset which is ensuring it doesn't work. And I think to be speaking with utmost candor, I think it starts from the CEO himself. Because if you are going to leave AI initiatives to just the CIO to drive in the organization or a small team in a particular office, it won't work. It's a mindset shift, a cultural shift. To my mind, that's the first reason why AI projects don't scale, because the leadership mindset and time, it's not there. So that's an opportunity for all of us. The second thing I personally feel is that when we are running AI projects, we are always looking for that perfect solve before we scale. And I think it's a myth, it won't happen. So we'll have to constantly work on it. As soon as any project is giving us 65–70% results accurately the way you want it, with whatever defined rules you set out at the start, I think that's good enough. You move on with that, start to scale, pivot, start to scale, improve. That's the way we'll have to do this. That's the second reason why most projects are in the proof of concept stage and they die there. It never becomes a proof of scale or proof of generating value for the business because we're looking for the perfect solve. That's to my mind the second reason. And finally, every decade there is a new buzzword, right? Abhi it's AI. Anything you do with AI, you just add AI to your company's name, valuations go up. But behind AI, there is a lot of plumbing. No AI model can work whether you want to do it on revenue side, on improving productivity, on profits, on cost, on fraud detection, claims, any part of the business and insurance you look at. It can only work if the underlying data is good quality, which is what Parag was saying. And I'm just reiterating that point because there is no use of putting a very nice, swanky, Porsche car in a street which is not built well, right? So there's no use of having a great AI model if your underlying data is not good. And cleansing and modernizing and focusing on getting your data sets right is the plumbing work, which is not the so-called appealing stuff in the AI world. But that truly is the core. So to my mind, these are the three reasons. Leadership mindset starting from the top, not waiting for the perfect solve before you scale, and finally getting your plumbing on the data right. If we get these three right, easier said than done. Theoretically, I can speak this, but I must confess that we are also struggling with this in my company. We are not there yet. But when I look at why are we not there, I think these are the three areas where we need to improve, starting with me.
We couldn't have summarized it better. I think all those points resonate extremely well.